So let's say you have some text on paper and you want to take it from here, from the paper, into an email. There's an awesome new feature in the latest Mac OS and iPhone OS that you can just lift text out of a photo. I'm going to show you how to do that. You got to start by putting the piece of paper flat on a table or something in a well-lit room. Grab your phone and just go into the regular camera, take a photo of the page, and then wait 10 or 15 seconds for that to sync through the cloud and show up on your computer. So on your Mac, you just go into the Photos app and bring up the photo that you just took of the piece of paper, and you just move your cursor to the beginning of the text and click and drag. It just highlights it as if it was regular text in a document. Then you do Command C to copy, where you go up to the edit menu and then copy. Then you go to an email and you make a new message, and then you just do Command V to paste, or you can do paste from up here, and boom, that text is now just regular text in an email. Another option, a great shortcut, is to go into the Photos app again and just hit the little button down in the bottom right that has the 3 little white lines in it. This will select all of the text in your document, and you can just click on Copy All down in the bottom left. Just be careful not to have other text in the photo. Like for me, it's going to copy a bunch of junk from my keyboard and the word folder over here. So if you only have the piece of paper and your text on the piece of paper, it will copy only that text. Now you can do the same thing on your phone. So you just go into the Photos app, the same place that photos normally go when you take a picture, and then zoom in a little bit on the photo so you can see the text a little more clearly. You press and hold your finger on the first word, and then grab the little blue handle and drag it over to the right. So that will highlight the text in the photo. And then just tap on copy. I have mail open with an email message ready, so I just swipe left across the bottom of my phone screen, and then I have the email here, and I just tap in the body of the message and tap on paste, and it puts the text right into the email message. If you want to make this text a little bigger, I don't know why it came in small, just double tap on the word, and same thing, you highlight the text, tap the 2 little A's, and then hit the bigger A button to make the text a little bit bigger. How cool is that? Boom! Mac Epiphany. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macinhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world. We'll help you with whatever is on your Mac problems list, and you will never feel judged or shamed for whatever mess you're in. And I can paste it into an email, but no, we don't want to be doing that.